Okwesharinga oku kwaba muri Kisasi Kampala kandi abakwejumberamu nabino burema hambiri yaabo abatwire nibakora konka batari kushashurwa. Aba batari kubasa kukoresa amaguru gabo kwesharinga baza hari za boda boda.
The delayed payment of the staff savings, the payout. Staff haven't received salaries for the past 2 months, and now the savings that are supposed to rescue the staff members from this economic hardship.
We've tried to follow up, but now our ES, now the senior volunteer of the organization, because she doesn't have a contract, she always writes threatening emails to staff. She doesn't have a concrete answer for that.
Abantu bajangwa imbere bagumiro mu makagabo ahabwo butashashurwa.
Twatereka sente zaffe. Ndowooza muntu bw'otereka. Bw'otuuka nti ebizibu bikuyinze. Balina obikola ki? Okuwa sente zo n'amagobaazo osobole okubeera nti n'okola ki? Weetaasa. Naye lwaki tulemeddwa okuweebwa sente zaffe?
Tetwagala akulira abakozi kati gwe tulina beti achana taliiko bulemu, tamanyi bizibu by'abantu abaliko obulemu, atubonyaabonya ng'abakyala abaliko obulemu, kwegamba tulaba ng'ebitagasa ate nga ffe tumusasula.
Hoona aba nibajangu nabwo nibabashara obucweka butaano ha mishara yaabo kandi obwo nayo batari kugibashashura.
Sente zino ziba tuzikozesa okuba nno zituyamba mu bintu ebyenjawulo singa omusaala guba tegukola ki? Tegujja. Naye up to now tetufuna sente ezo. Sente ezo nobwe tuzisaba tebaagala kubanga zituwa. Mu kiseera kino bastaafu bakaaba, abaana balina okubanga bagenda kusoma, abaana bamu basigadde waka.
Abantu bajangu n'emirimo ei barukora biine oburemeezi obu barukorabamu kandi ekitwireho okumara obwire buringwa.
But does she know the conditions we are going through? Does she know that as women with disabilities have challenges? Does she know that we have families?
Aba bagumzamu baza ha mwanya aho bakama babo baba bari mu rukiko orwaba rutakwenda kuhwa. Bakama babo bayanga kugamba n'abanyamakuru kandi twagizaho okuterera mukuru w'ekitongore eki Betty Achana amasumu kandi kuyakimanya ngo n'abanyamakuru esumu yagisharaho kandi yagaruka kugikwata no butwaguma ntumuterera.
I told you I will message the whole of this week, but let me get back to you.
Gasha kwa Damba Tadeo omuri Kampala.